We're recording. Hi guys! I'm back. This time I have a visitor.
Hey.
It's my best friend, Jasmine.
Hey.
Be nice. No, I'm joking.
Be nice.
We're here to react to a car crash. I mean, driving fails and road rage. So, let me start it. Hold on. I gotta get it. I'm gonna get it.
Start there.
There we go. There we go. There go the idiot. It's the not stopping for me. Like, you see this motherfucker pull it out in front of you. Stop.
Lord have mercy.
All you gotta do is stop.
Look, immediately tries to reverse. You should have been did that.
Not that the whole green light is, all the cars is up there and they not going. It's not it.
Cause you got an Audi. Oh, and you want to brake check people.
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
You stopped in the middle of the intersection. No, you're all on my. No, I wasn't. Yeah, you are. I'm calling the police.
I'm calling the police.
He said he tried to tell the police I hit him. Got real sheepish when I said I had the video. I don't know.
Yeah, you are. I'm calling the police.
I'm calling the police.
I'm calling the police.
Fuck it, call him. Okay, this road looking real icy. You look like you speeding.
Speed.
Can't
With
even.
the SH.
Yeah, speeding. Look, better spin out.
There you go. I told him we were going too fast.
Niggas don't listen. You better not. You better.
Oh my god.
Where were you even going? The road is not over there. Everybody see that? Stupid.
Oh shit. What the fuck?
Glad you dodged me, bitch, cause
Yeah, let me go on and stop.
what an idiot.
Why
y'all ain't speeding
oh
on
my
it?
god, when it's snowing like that.
Take your foot off the gas, boom. Don't put your foot on the brake, boom. You just gotta let it go.
I drifted the car while just all in there the other day. Look, he told me something.
I want to say that's a great
Wow,
He told me
congratulations.
something.
It also
Usually
seems
people
like
don't
they
panic
really
and do the right
captured
thing. Oh, fuck.
barrier. Cremation container and then a metal box.
Cremated! Not you put your wipers on.
Barrier.
Cause you're cremated.
Get hard.
We just
And I want to say that's a great
Wow, congratulations. It also seems like they really captured.
What the fuck? Why would you?
And you won't even hear your driver.
That's what I'm saying. You clearly weren't paying attention because he was right there when you're trying to turn. Dummy.
More ice. I can't take this snow stuff. You know people can't.
Are you?
No, cause are you kidding me, sir? You saw them about to get over.
Exactly.
Y'all be like not wanting to stop. Just
Especially my thing is I have on my blinkers. I'm clearly trying to get over. If I have room, I'm gonna try to get over. What?
are you kidding me? And you hit that stop sign. I mean that mailbox. God.
Oh damn! Oh my fucking
Shit! What the fuck were you doing?
The garage door coming up!
You hit somebody's car.
Oh my fucking god.
Ran out like, what the fuck?
I know she like, I know you fucking lying. I know. Oh!
What's the light green? Cause people do stop at green lights. This shit pissed me off. Hello, turn. Now they booted going back.
Go.
Why would you go through?
Cause, and now, look, now they doing it on purpose.
What do you?
Why would you go?
Wow.
Oh my god.
People.
Wow.
People dumb as fuck.
And then go to police.
Thank you.
DashCam! DashCam! Oh!
Why the police ain't up there when I need them to be there for me? So for when they want to not arrest. I want to get arrested. Not the intoxicated mother. Oh shit. I love driving behind people with brakes. I be having to get over.
Oh, that's that shit, boy. Oh.
For me, it's the stopping. Cause why would you stop in the middle of a turn?
Exactly.
Why would you do
It's
that?
the hesitation.
Like,
Why you stop?
keep going.
Keep going.
That's when you put
You
your.
already knew you was wrong for turning. That's why they blew the horn.
Now you about to leave. Not
Back
you
down.
leaving.
I'm out this. Fuck this shit. I'm out. Yo.
That's why when I see cars like fucked up, I be like, you had to leave the accident.
What the fuck?
Why are you going through a red light so fast?
It's red. Red is
It's red.
for
I
stopping.
thought it was. I don't know.
Red is for stopping. You stop.
This is the only reason I don't want no dash cam. Cause if I see the accident, I'm gonna have to pull over and be like, yeah, I got on dash cam. I'm just sitting in.
The other car was zooming past that. Got places to be. Excuse me.
Hello. Out of here.
Excuse me.
Dog. Everybody getting over. How many times you getting over? How many times you getting over? You could have slowed down so they can just
You could have slowed down.
continue to get over.
You saw. That's what I'm saying. You see the signal light. It's not like they didn't have the signal light on.
Man, somebody come in this bitch speeding. Where we at? Chick-fil-A?
Look at her.
She said,
Oh, shit.
what was you looking at, girl?
She like, oh shit. I did not mean to hit your car. I am so sorry. She laughing. Bitch, it ain't funny. It's a dude. That's a black dude.
My friends.
Since I ain't had it for 2 weeks.
And is just over 18
this a
feet long
compliment?
and weighs 2,000 pounds. And
Right ass like, goddamn.
it's CGI from a movie.
Run it back, cause I don't miss. I'll pay attention to the wrong thing. The what?
Oh, the white cop tried to get over in a turning lane. I love it. He later told the cop what?
Just go look at Utan and how big this thing is, and watch the people in the cage with Utan.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna send this tape in. I'm gonna send it in. Brand new Tesla. Where? Oh, getting hit.
Oh.
And gonna get hit again. Okay, we're gonna go find another parking spot. Yeah. Matter of fact, we're gonna find a new store.
I'm going on to another store. Cause
White hair covered his eyes, and his tunic was smudged with grease. He was
She read
bent
the
over a
story.
table,
God dang!
working on
Oh,
something with a long
shit.
metal
God
pipe.
damn.
Send that man trailer
Watched
going.
the chainmail. Picked up a delicate curl
A
of
lot.
bronze.
I mean, if you go down that road, you should know it's a stop sign.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What the fuck is going on?
Oh my god! Are you fucking serious right now? What are they doing? You have got to be kidding me!
Yo!
Oh my god!
Not driving backward. Whoa! People be on drugs.
Wait, in the van? What the fuck?
And then
The
you gonna
van.
keep stopping. Why are all these cars on the wrong side of the road? Right. My bad. Oh. Oh.
What the fuck? That's what your dumb
Ooh.
ass get, non-driving ass.
Oh.
What the?
Exactly. Can't drive, but want to speed.
She took off running after I told her the cops was running away.
Not took off running. Where you going?
And they got no insurance. Look at this
Running
big
down
ass
the
truck going over the fucking median.
They always
they
love to do that.
Me too, but still.
She talking about me too.
It's the right place. Like if you know, if I got to do it. Like if the bridge up, you know what I'm saying?
Man.
No, fuck that. You turn over the
Look,
grass.
Look, man.
I ain't hit nobody. Cause traffic don't be coming because the
this
gates.
time you didn't hit nobody.
Bella!
Did she come in the car?
Get out. I'm recording. You everything but sleepy. 55 in the work zone. Then they won't let the car over.
Remember we used to yell
Oh, they
that out?
merging,
Oh my god.
They want to merge. They want to merge. Let me merge. But you already knew you were supposed to get over. I hate them people though. Like, you know you were supposed to be getting over.
They be pissing me off.
But I mean,
I hate late mergers. I hate them so much.
you could have let them over. You could have let them over. Y'all going the same way.
How long are you gonna put my finger?
I'm not. Bye. It gets longer and longer every time. Yes. Nigga.
What are you doing?
What you doing?
It look like, what are you doing?
Right, because all them cars are trying to do the same thing. What are you doing, sir? Oh, they let down the window. Because we need to have a little chat, huh?
What are you doing?
Sir, what are you doing? And he keep asking everybody what they doing. What are you doing, sir?
What are you doing?
If you don't yield to them,
So were you not the
because
idiot?
you are
it
the
look like the
idiot.
cars. Okay.
He was supposed to yield to all them other fucking cars. And look at this shit.
Bitch, I'm
The
telling you.
fuck? Look.
Somebody called the road ranger. Look. Gotta call the road ranger for this nigga. Texting. It say what? For road.
Yeah, call their ass. Cause what?
Road ranger assistance. Yes. Motherfucker is spinning out. Oh.
He got one of them smart cars. That smart stop. Not today.
Not today. That's why I like that I have a big truck. Cause I can look over the cars. Oh.
What the fuck?
Okay.
They need an alignment.
It's the alternator. Look at them.
This is student driver.
Oh, it do say school on there.
Right. That's what I'm like, this is
No, the white person was student driver, goddamn it. Cause
Lord.
what?
Bitch, you didn't see that red ass car.
Well, what's taking them so long to back up? Uh-oh, we in Cali. What's stupid? Cause baby,
That's
it's the car park.
Look, that's the cleanest side swap I ever seen.
I probably did so.
Bitch. They were on the phone, looking at the phone while you turning.
Right.
Oh.
Oh.
Damn! Oh my god!
People, you don't put your foot on the brake, baby.
What?
Okay, we got the front. Good car getting over. You getting over. Okay, we're gonna get over one more time. We're gonna have to get over again.
They love using that shoulder.
I hate it. Motherfucker be doing that shit. I be like,
that is not a lane.
just for me to catch up with you, like.
It's not a lane. Oh, no, this some stupid shit. Florida? I already know. This some shit.
This nigga just going on every lane. I can't talk. See, when I'm switching lanes like this, I make sure I'm looking. I ain't just blind. Not the police pull her over.
Yeah, go on and get over for me.
See, another thing when you're switching lanes, you gotta stop in that one lane and then get over. You not stop. Don't put your brakes on. Please don't do that. But you know, act like you gonna get in that lane.
Oh my God! Somebody did that the other day. I'm driving. What? Brake while you switch? Are you fucking kidding me?
Can you get out?
Are you braking while you're switching lanes?
Baby, I hate that. Get out. Not just out of here, but out of my room. Exit. Stage left.
Oh, look at me.
At least Buddy didn't. He run for a note for him. Damn, and that's it. Obviously, people still can't drive.
They ain't gonna never learn at this point.
I was leaving wherever I was at today. It was accidents everywhere. Everywhere. I mean, I had to make 3 cuts just to get home.
People can't drive worth a damn.
Not worth nothing. It's no snow, no rain. It's nice, no sun. It's just nice outside.
It's just nice. And it really was nice outside today. It's what's crazy.
And motherfuckers can't drive.
It was pretty as hell.
It was so nice today, motherfuckers said, let me get in. Let me do something stupid. Like, really? You hit me getting over? I'm on the way to do something that ain't important to you, but it's important to me, and you hit me? Now I gotta wait for the police. The ambulance.
That you could have been doing anything else. You in a damn accident.
Honestly, you should stay your ass home.
Oh, at this point.
Big, goofy, stupid ass. But that's the end of this video. We're gonna, I don't know if she gonna catch y'all, but I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Surprise when she come, you know.
You know, this is the best way to be.
But if you like this video, you know, share and give your girl what? Hold on, cause I'm on the wrong side. Hold on, y'all know I'm still learning this.
Not zoomed in on me.
I'm still learning. Hold on. Yeah, so you know, give your girl a like, a comment, and subscribe. Like, subscribe. Be my subby. Be my subby. And then until next time, peace.